The Nobel Prize is a set of 6 annual international awards bestowed on those who confer the greatest benefit of humankind in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, and economic sciences in several categories by Swedish and Norwegian institutions. This list of Nobel Prize winners and their domain will be so important in terms of competitive exam preparations, especially UPSC, railway, and bank exams. List of Nobel Prize winners from India. Rabindranath Tagore in the year 1913 in the field literature because of his profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse by which with consummate skill he has made his poetic thought expressed in his own English words a part of the literature of the West. C.V. Raman in the field physics in the year of 1930. He got the Nobel Prize for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him. Mother Teresa in the field of peace in the year 1979 in recognition of her work in bringing help to suffering humanity. Amartya Sen in 1998 got Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences for his contributions to welfare economics. Kailash Satyarthi in the field peace in the year of 2014 he got Nobel Prize for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. Hargobind Khorana in the field physiology or medicine. In 1968 he got the Nobel Prize for the interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. He born in Raipur in India. Subramanian Chandrasekhar in the field physics in 1983 he got the Nobel Prize. Born in Lahore, India, for his theoretical studies of the physical process of importance to the structure and evolution of the stars. Venki Ramakrishnan in the field chemistry in the year of 2009 he got Nobel Prize for studies of the structure and function of the ribosome. Abhijit Banerjee he got Nobel Prize for the field of economic sciences in the year of 2019 for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. Ronald Ross got Nobel Prize for the field physiology in 1902 for his work on malaria by which he has shown how it enters the organism and thereby has laid the foundation for successful research on this disease and methods of combating it. Got Nobel Prize Rudyard Kipling in the field literature in the year of 1907 in consideration of the power of observation, originality of imagination, virility of ideas, and remarkable talent for narration which characterize the creations of this old famous author. 14th Dalai Lama got Nobel Prize for the field peace in the year of 1989 for his consistent resistance to the use of violence. His people struggle to regain their liberty. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment.